This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Ford Ranger O2 sensors replacement. Pull the hood release lever located underneath the steering wheel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards. Support the hood with the prop rod. Loosen the cable clamp nut, then disconnect the negative battery cable from the terminal. Secure the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Then raise the front of the car and support it on jack stands. For the replacement of the appropriate oxygen sensor, disconnect the oxygen sensor electrical connector and free the wiring harness from any retaining clips. Using an oxygen sensor socket, unscrew and remove the oxygen sensor. If you're going to install the old sensor, apply anti-seize compound to the threads of the sensor to facilitate future removal. If installing a new sensor, it is not necessary to apply anti-seize compound because it should already have anti-seize pre-applied. Install the oxygen sensor. Tighten the sensor securely. Connect the oxygen sensor electrical connector and be sure to secure the wiring harness into the retaining clip or clips where applicable. Lower the car to the ground. Connect the negative battery cable to the terminal and tighten the cable clamp nut securely.